The Living Pod is available for the Lite 2.0 and Lite XL, and each version comes in two lengths, one for regular cars and another for taller vehicles. It attaches to your TentBox to create a big sheltered space around your car. The Living Pod comes in a handy bag that straps up tight and can be stored in the boot of your car. First, you'll want to remove the travel cover from its channel by sliding it out. In the same channel, insert the Living Pod's back panel, ensuring the D-loops are facing towards you. Once done, you'll need to identify the two side panels of the Living Pod with the plastic beading at the top and slide those into the side channels on your TentBox. You'll want to make sure the straps with the buckle clips are facing outwards. Unclip the rainfly cover and lift it up to reveal 5 small loops above your door. Insert the Living Pod hooks into the fabric loops one by one. Then clip the rainfly cover to the Living Pod buckle clips, tightening them accordingly. You'll find poppers in the corner of your rainfly cover, as well as on the side near the buckle clips. Clip those together. It's time to assemble and install the poles, starting with the long one, which slides into the channel above the window inside your Living Pod and is mounted to these plastic caps on both sides. Secure them in place with these Velcro straps. Onto the short pole now, which keeps the top of the Living Pod tensioned and slots into these 2 small pockets. You'll have to bend this pole to make it fit. Once installed, you can zip the side panels to the back panel. Then it's time to peg the walls down. Pull the side walls taut to avoid creases, and then peg them down using the adjustable straps attached to the top of the skirting. We recommend using the guy ropes provided and attaching those to the fabric loops on either side of the door like so, and then pegging this down to ensure your setup is fully secure. And just like that, your Living Pod is ready to go. We recommend folding any excess skirting inwards for neatness. If you've got a slightly taller car, you might not have any excess, and this is perfectly fine. To enter wing mode and open one of the sides up, please use the telescopic poles provided. Adjust the length and slide them into the fabric loops at the top, then loop the guy ropes above that. Position the telescopic pole at an angle towards the tent and then tension them using the guy ropes provided, ensuring the top fabric is taut in both length and width. The Living Pod comes with a ground sheet as well, which is easy to install. Simply slide it in and peg it down. You can have the Living Pod in various wing mode setups depending on your requirements. 1 side up, 2 sides up, or all 3 sides up. The Living Pod comes with 1 set of telescopic props, and if you want more than 1 side up, you'll need to purchase an extra set of props from TentBox.com.